Hello guys, welcome to Code Panthers. This is your host Fardeen Khan, and this is a channel update video wherein I will be talking about what you should expect from Code Panthers in the near future. So a little bit of history. This channel was previously called as Red Flag Studio. Just last week I changed its name from Red Flag Studio to Code Panthers with a rebranded logo, good looking banner, etc. to make it more attractive and appealing to the viewers. So a background for myself a bit for the new subscribers who will be joining us. My name is Fardeen Khan and I am a BTech graduate in IT. Currently, I'm working in Tata Consultancy Services as a systems engineer. And my daily activities include writing code for APIs for different clients, etc. I won't delve into that in much deeper. But about this channel, I created it back in 2019 when I was on the peakest the highest point at the peak of my coding journey, where I was learning a lot of things, had my fingers dipped in a lot of technologies, and I wanted to give back to the people of YouTube or the internet and also make a name of myself, of course. Red Flag Studio was the brainchild, the name that I was suggested back then. It was something that I wanted to create an ecosystem around, create a family of channels or something, or websites and all those things, but it failed miserably because of my laziness and my lack of interest in it. But recently, this year, when I was having the time and I brought some good gear, a microphone to record my voice, and a good laptop to record it, high quality videos, I decided that I will give it a chance, especially since November I've released my gaming channel on which I'm playing popular new released games and uploading their videos on my with my commentary. So I would drop the description, the link in the description, but you can check it out if you want. So about this channel, as the name suggests, as Code Panthers, it's quite a catchy name and the logo is pretty good, I suppose. So it's more about my knowledge that I have. I will like to share it with you. This is not a full-blown coding channel, I would say, because it will include some kinds of tricks and hacks in coding. For example, things that you might be stuck at. It will have something more about the technical perspective of writing software. So you can think about installation tutorials, you can talk about debugging tutorials. Sometimes you might face some errors while dealing with some kind of software, for example Android Studio. Then I will have those videos where I will be posting the fixes for those bugs. Also, you can look forward to some small running tutorial series, because I am not going to post full blown 5 to 6 hours videos in a single go. That won't be possible. So I am not very experienced in all the fields that I work on, but let me tell you on a brief that I am quite a bit in between the average and the advanced field in Android native programming as well as Flutter. So my major de facto technology that I work on is mobile app development, especially for the Android native part. Other than that, I am mostly a backend developer. I recognize myself as that, working on Python API development, Node.js, and basically I dip my hands in any field that I like, any technology that I like. I would like to work with Java Spring. I'm currently working in .NET Core. So, and also on some no code platforms, for example Alteryx, that are used for data analytics and all. So my interests are wide, and so the videos will be too, very widely covering topics. So expect some good quality videos, at least with high quality audio, thanks to the latest gear that I have. So that gives me a boost of confidence and actually the interest that I need in making these videos. And seriously, for the last year, I think for 313 days, as the Google YouTube analytics is showing me, I have not been active on this channel. Still I am getting views and I am getting a fair share of subscriber. Like 42 subscribers who originally joined the channel have still not unsubscribed. So that is a great boost to my motivation, that that makes me want to continue developing skills and showcase my knowledge about these technologies more to you. Now that so much time has passed, I've learned a few things, especially about the freelancing market, because for the last 1 year I've been working on developing mostly Android projects, sometimes related to IoT field, sometimes only to simple database interactions. But I have gained some experience in that, and I would really love to share that with you people. So expect a large number of playlists to be created for the channel. That will be covering a lot of topics. As I've said, there will be installation tutorials, getting started tutorials, debugging any issues while running the software, etc. Those kind will be frequent, I suppose. Otherwise, whenever I will have time, I will make full blown tutorials of about an hour or so covering a particular topic. For example, creating a HTTP client in Android to download data over a URL API and then show it to the user in a parsed format, something like that. So the topics will not mostly be generic. I would try my best to keep them specific to solve a problem. For example, loading images in a slideshow on Android apps, or making code on Python Flask and deploy it to AWS. So yeah, one a major field other than Android, which I'm very much interested in, will be AWS, because on work in the work basis also I have been working on that, and I'm quite very interested in that portion. So mostly I will be dealing with deployment of codes, hosting them over AWS Elastic services, mostly because those are the fields that I've explored. Now, anyways, this was all about what I wanted to say about the upcoming videos or the state of the channel. The one thing that I would request from you is your consideration, like what would you actually expect from the channel? What kind of technologies are you targeting? Actually, I did realize that I passed on a form last year, but it didn't do so well. I will again try to circulate a Google form. I think the description it will be in the description link, linked in the description. But I hope that you could provide me some context as to what you are expecting, what technology is something that you are looking for on this channel. And I know that there isn't much of a history in this channel for you to actually consider that, but anyways, I'm very much open to ideas. Mostly I will try to cover a lot of good technologies, latest technologies, and give my 2 cents on whether you should actually use them or not. But that is finally up to you whether you want to watch this video or not. So I suppose that's all. 7 minutes on. I think that was quite short. I wouldn't take more of your time. So any kind of criticism from previous videos or from this video, if you have, you can pin it down in the comment. I will be always responsible for responding to you on time. And you can always, yeah, if you want to show your support, you can drop a like, you can subscribe to the channel for the new upcoming videos. You can hit the bell icon so that you get the latest notifications, and you can share it with your friends who also have the passion for learning programming and exploring different fields and not getting limited by a single goal. So in that case, I think I have said most of the things I wanted, and I am very grateful for the support that the existing subscribers and viewers have shown me, and I would very much like to show a hand of gratitude to them. In case that the channel actually explodes at some time, I would very much be delighted to have some opportunity to thank them properly. But at the moment, my main concern is putting up content on this channel so that it actually rises up the inactive range that it has been sitting in for a year. There will be major breaks, and I'm not making promises that I will upload every day, because I already have a gaming channel that I work on. Each and every day I produce one video, and it is going good. I wouldn't say great, but it is going good. We recently hit 75 subscribers, so that is kind of an achievement for me. Other than that, whenever I will find the free time, I would make sure to upload some quality video onto this channel. Now, thank you very much for your time again, and I hope that I will see you in the next video. Thank you for your support. Sayonara. Fardeen Khan out. Code Panthers out.